Hello, everyone, and welcome back to UK Pro Reviewer. Today, we're diving into the world of efficient typing and productivity with the OMOTON Bluetooth keyboard. If you're a Mac user looking for a reliable keyboard companion, you're in the right place. Let's get started. So, what's the deal with the OMOTON Bluetooth keyboard? Well, this keyboard is all about effortless compatibility. It's designed to work seamlessly with Mac devices running OS by 10.10 and above. Whether you have a MacBook, MacBook Pro, iMac, or Mac Mini, this keyboard has got you covered. One of the standout features of this keyboard is its stable Bluetooth connection. It offers a solid range of up to 33 feet or 10 meters. So, you have the flexibility to type from a distance, making it a valuable addition to your Mac setup. Now, let's talk about ergonomics. The OMOTON Bluetooth keyboard is designed with your comfort in mind. It features a scissor switch design that not only reduces typing fatigue but also makes each keystroke smoother. Plus, it's incredibly slim and lightweight, making it super portable for on-the-go productivity. Here's where things get interesting. This keyboard comes equipped with a range of 12 exclusive shortcut keys, all optimized for Mac. These shortcuts are here to streamline your workflow and boost your productivity. Whether it's launching apps, controlling media, or adjusting volume, you can do it all with a keystroke. Now, let's talk about battery life. The OMOTON Bluetooth keyboard is impressively efficient. It runs on just 2 AAA batteries, and it even features an environmentally friendly auto sleep mode. If you step away for 10 minutes, it'll enter sleep mode to save power. Simply press any key to wake it up, and you're good to go. Pairing this keyboard with your Mac is a breeze. Once you've selected OMOTON keyboard from your device's Bluetooth settings, just enter the numbers displayed on your screen and press Return to complete the connection. It's quick and hassle-free. Before we wrap up, let me highlight the ergonomic benefits once more. The keyboard slope is optimized to prevent wrist pain, ensuring you can type comfortably for extended periods. Customized shortcut keys add a layer of convenience, making your time spent on your Mac highly productive. So, there you have it, the OMOTON Bluetooth keyboard. It's a sleek, Mac-friendly keyboard that offers a stable connection, ergonomic design, and time-saving shortcut keys. If you're looking to enhance your typing experience, this might just be the keyboard for you. If you found this review helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech reviews, and let us know your thoughts in the comments below. This is your host signing off, and remember, happy typing. Stay tuned for more tech reviews and recommendations right here on UK Pro Reviewer.